I earned $20 in just 2 hours. That is 1635 rupees in just 2 hours. How did I done this? Let's figure it out. Like all of you, I also wanted to earn money on internet sitting on my bed. Then I came to know about freelancing. I downloaded Fiverr app. Then I thought what kind of service I can provide immediately. I don't have any skills. Then one idea came in my mind. I have knowledge of three different languages: English, Hindi, and Marathi. So I can translate content from English to Hindi, English to Marathi, and Hindi to Marathi, or vice versa. So then I created my first gig on Fiverr. After creation of my first gig, just after 1 week, I got message from one Indian client who wanted to translate a document from English to Hindi. I immediately replied to him. Then he assigned that project to me for $10. I translated that document from English to Hindi and submitted that same document within 1 hour. Also, I did proofreading for the same document so that I will avoid all the mistakes. Just after that, same client assigned me a second project of proofreading, a document translated from English to Hindi, and I have to proofread the same document. So I accepted this project also, and I done this project within half hour, completed the project and submitted. Client gave me $5 for this proofreading project. After some hour, that same client assigned me third project for translation of document from Hindi to Marathi for $5. Again, I accepted this project. Project is of only 2 pages. I translated that project and also done proofreading for that document. To avoid any mistakes, then I submitted this project within 40 minutes. That's how I got 3 projects from single client within 3 hours, and I earned $20 in 2 hours of work. In Indian rupees, $20 is equal to 1635 rupees. If you are also interested to become freelancer and earn money just sitting on your bed, then download the Fiverr app. I have given link in the description. Also like, share this video and subscribe to your favorite YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in another amazing video.